Welcome back, everybody. If you have a two-door vehicle like myself and you want to go camping or go on a longer trip, maybe you have a couple kids and you don't have the room to store everything, you might be interested in a rooftop storage bag such as this one. I got this one from Tooluck, and the nice thing about it is it can be attached to any vehicle, whether you have the roof rack or not, and it can also be used, as you can see, on this two-door car as well. Another nice feature about this bag is it's 100% waterproof. The zippers have a rain fly that come over the top with Velcro for added security to protect the rain from entering inside your bag. This Tooluck rooftop storage bag is 21 cubic foot of space. Though before you load it to the max, make sure you know how much weight your roof can handle. That's very important. This rooftop storage bag from Tooluck comes in a nice carry case bag such as this. You will also receive 6 additional straps for securing your bag if you do have a roof rack. If you do not have the roof rack, it'll also come with 2 long straps that will go through the interior of your vehicle for vehicles that are not equipped with the roof racks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install this Tooluck rooftop storage bag on a vehicle that is not equipped with the storage or luggage rack on top. So stick around. Alright, to begin, this Tooluck rooftop storage bag comes in a nice, easy to carry storage bag. This material is really nice, heavy duty. To begin, just unroll it. You want to find the front and the back. So to determine that, you got this gray stripe on the side, and the narrow part of the stripe will go towards the front of the vehicle. So we'll get this laid up on the roof. Before placing this on the roof though, make sure your rooftop is clean. The nice thing about this storage bag is it can be used on a small two-door car. It has 6 buckle straps, 3 on each side. So if you do have a roof rack, you can just simply use these straps. Here's a close-up look of the inside material. This is your full waterproof material. The outside has a nice scratch-free resistant material on the back, which is also waterproof. And it does have some handles. Also included in this bag, you're going to get 6 small straps, 3 for each side. If you do have a luggage rack or an SUV or a truck that you want to put this on. And it comes with your 2 larger straps, which we're going to use to go through the door and inside the vehicle and connect to the other side, which I'll show you in just a little bit. And I also recommend that you check your vehicle's owner manual to make sure how much weight you can properly put on top of your roof before you load it. You do not want to overload your roof and have the roof collapse at all on you. Once you have it zipped up, make sure you take this waterproof flap here and you want to push down on the Velcro spots and just seal that up. Make sure that flap is down. That's what keeps it more waterproof. Keeps the rain and moisture and elements running down over the top instead of inside to your zipper. Once you have everything situated in there the way you want it, all your gears packed in, you take your long strap with the buckle, and this will be towards the center of your vehicle, and take one side of it, place it through the front strap, connect it up here. Take your second strap and do the same thing. Feed it through the middle strap here. Then go around to the other side of the vehicle and attach them to the other clips. With this middle strap, if your vehicle allows for it and you have enough space, try to run that back strap, that second strap, through the back and then attach it. And then just hook this one up here and just draw it tight. That way you got one strap in the front, one strap in the back. Depending on how your bag is packed, you might need to use the center strap. In my case, I was able to use the front strap and the back strap. And then you can run them through your roof here like this. And then if you need to, you can tighten it up. Just by pulling on this strap right here, you can snug up the front and the back strap. And here's how it'll look on the other side. So I'm running it to the back strap and the front strap on this side. Clip that one out of the way and just draw it tight. The one thing I want to mention with your straps that you're running through your roof, as you can see here, try to keep them nice and straight without too many twists in them. Make sure when they're coming out of your door here, they're nice and flat, like this. So when you go to close your door, there's no buckle in your weather stripping on your door seal. As you could see, installation of this rooftop storage bag is fairly simple. You do have to make sure that you adjust your items inside the bag appropriately so that the bag is pretty much level and evenly distributed so that it will travel nicely down the road. And make sure that you adjust your straps and secure them tightly. Once it's secured properly, this bag's not going to go anyplace. It'll give you the extra room that you need when you're driving around in these small two-door cars. Another nice feature about this bag is once you're done traveling, camping, whatever you're using it for, you take all your items out and it rolls back up and it'll fit nicely back into the small convenient storage bag. If you're interested in checking out this storage bag from Tooluck, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching and remember to get outdoors with Deano.